Hey, it's your girl Krissy from Luxx Events by Krissy, and today we are creating a beautiful golden hour themed floral arrangement. We are starting with a bowl from the thrift store, a piece of foam, and we are using Scotch tape to just put 3 pieces of tape around to hold our foam in place. I'm just showing you a bit of the flowers that we will be using today, a little bit of faux ranunculus, eucalyptus, dahlias, a wide arrangement of florals and greenery, and we are going to fill it up and make it absolutely stunning to see. Before I started this project, I did count all of the greenery that I did have, and I saw that I would be able to take about 15 pieces throughout each arrangement. We've made 11 arrangements for today's party. We only needed 10, but you know, 1 extra as a just in case. We want to put it near a sign or on the dessert table and fill any gaps where there is any blank spaces that need to be filled. So here you can see we are making the base of our structure, and that is just putting in all of the greenery. We're going to put that right around and some in the top, in the middle, and just to help create a nice structure for our floral arrangement. The good thing about using faux florals is that it's on wire, and so if it doesn't look nice in one spot, you can bend it a little bit and it will create a nice shape, or it'll go into the flow of where you would like it to be. If it has too many leaves on it, you can pick it off, or you can take it off the stem if it has some detachable pieces, and you fill it in nicely just so that you can see where everything goes. If you remember from our last video, we ordered some florals and they did not come in. Well, they did come in, sorry, but they came in the wrong color. We sent those back. Unfortunately, we weren't able to receive a new one. So these yellow ones, or yellowy orange ones that we've got in here are from Amazon because we needed something quick and it was less expensive than getting from Michael's or another craft store. Typically, the vendor that I use is pretty good, so I'm not sure what happened this time around. We're still working on, either getting the flowers or getting a refund. Once I get the flowers, I can unbox them and show you the quality and then recommend the vendor, but until then, we will not. And these are just some foam flowers. Because it is a golden hour theme, I didn't want to add too much red, but I did want to separate some of the yellow and the oranges in there and add a different texture. So we're just putting in 3 of those foam roses. We are putting in this off-white pinkish, and that is just to be a little bit of a cloud in the golden hour theme, right? Because we're in the sun, it's like the sunset. And so we're just putting in a little bit of that off-white in there for not just a filler, but to add some dimension, some texture, and a little cloud-like effect. It helps to break up the oranges in there as well. As I go along, I see that we can put a little bit more greenery in there, so we're doing that and adding in other flowers just to fill it up as nicely as we can. And then we're going to add some of these pink or dusty rose foam flowers as well. And they also add a little bit more dimension to break up that orange, so it's not just solid orange decor on the table, and it still goes into the golden hour sunset theme of the party. All in all, it took about 15 minutes to make this arrangement, so it's not very time consuming at all. So we finished adding in all of our florals, and we're just going to go in and add a little bit more greenery here and there, some baby's breath, a little bit of what looks like dried leaves, and we are now going to add, just to the white base, we're going to add some tulle. This is tulle that we had from a previous event. We did something similar where we wrapped the base of the vases because it was a autumn themed wedding, and we had these similar arrangements with miniature pumpkins added to them to give it a little va-va-boom. But here you go. This is the finished product. I hope you liked it. Additionally, if you've made it this far in the video, I do have a GoFundMe link in the description. My daughter was born with hip dysplasia, and we are navigating physiotherapy and making physio at home. It would be great if you could support us.